My name is Rob Landsberger. I work for Vizmeg Landscaping as a commercial hardscape foreman. My favorite part about landscaping and streetscaping in particular is every job is completely different. Every single job has a new set of challenges. This Mull Avenue streetscape is roughly 700 pallets of brick, which is a large number of brick. Approximately 70,000 square feet, which is the largest brick job that we have ever done. One of the biggest concerns of this project was how are we going to lay this amount of brick that fast, and where are we going to get them? Belden brick has been around for a very long time. It's very well known in this area for not only building trades, but for streetscaping. They have a very good reputation with their clay brick pavers. One challenge we encountered with this project is we needed the brick pavers to be palletized specifically to be laid with our paver machine. And Belden came through for us and was able to custom palletize all of our pallets, all 700 pallets, to be laid with our machine, which was a huge challenge for a company to overcome. Belden clay brick pavers add a nice warm vintage feel, and they tied together well with the existing brick pavers of the surrounding area. When we get to a crosswalk, we are changing from red to black and white pavers, and it really makes a nice standout. So you can really see the crosswalks as you're driving down the street. It really makes a nice pop in color. The durability of the Belden clay brick pavers will really stand the test of time with the plowing of the roads and with the weather, the freezing and thawing that we have. They are a lot tougher than the concrete pavers. The availability and timing of this project, we needed to be able to get the brick quickly, and Belden was the obvious choice.